Welcome to the NEOS Monthly Income Podcast. I'm Tom Lydon, and as always, I'm joined by the co-founders of NEOS, Garrett Paolella and Troy Cates. Also joining us is Brian Lake, partner at Goldman Sachs Asset Management. Garrett, I'm handing it over to you. You've got some exciting news.
Yeah, thanks, Tom. We're extremely thrilled and excited about the opportunity today to be announcing that NEOS has joined into an agreement to join Goldman Sachs Asset Management in a partnership that we really believe is going to benefit our firm, our team, and most importantly, our investors. I think the decision from our perspective to join with Goldman really presents a unique opportunity to where we can build off of what has made NEOS who we are today. Right. And what everybody knows us for. That means our team, our disciplined investment philosophy, and just a commitment to delivering exceptional outcomes for investors. What's also exciting about this is that in Goldman, we found a very supportive partner. They share in our investor-first passion and the ability to bring global size and scale and resources to help us expand the business that we are today and continue to innovate in products for investors.
Thanks, Garrett. Brian, can you share what this means for Goldman Sachs and why joining with NEOS makes sense for you?
Yeah, first, Tom, let me say we're just so thrilled for NEOS to be joining Goldman Sachs Asset Management. I think Garrett said it great. The fact that they're client-focused aligns completely with how Goldman Sachs thinks about its clients. Our focus at Goldman Sachs Asset Management is helping clients meet their specific investment goals, and NEOS fits that mission. NEOS will continue building behind its team, its disciplined approach, and while we, Goldman, bring our broader platform access, distribution, and technology advantages to the table. From a Goldman perspective, we pride ourselves on solving our problems for our clients, and that's the mantra we live by. Together with NEOS, we aim to make these solutions available to more investors and advisors across more channels and geographies.
It's great to hear there's such an investment alignment between the two companies. Troy, can you give a bit more color on why NEOS is pursuing this opportunity now? What makes the timing right?
Yeah, it's a great question, Tom. We've talked about this before, and it's clear that right now the demand for income-oriented solutions is continuing to grow. Together with Goldman, we're going to be focused on accelerating the solutions that have made NEOS a leader in the income ETFs and a trusted resource to investors. Partnering with Goldman will enable NEOS to invest more aggressively in product innovation without compromising the principles that have defined us from the beginning. So there are a few things we want to make sure that we're being clear about. First off, and very important, nothing changes about our investment philosophy. The same team will continue to manage the ETFs our investors have come to know and rely on. Secondly, our funds will continue to trade as normal under the same tickers. So nothing changes there when people start to think about what this transaction might mean to them. Together with Goldman, we'll continue to give investors the confidence and solutions to navigate and benefit from every market environment.
Garrett, I'm a shareholder. What should I expect? What do I need to do?
Yeah, listen, there is a lot of work that we got to do before our companies come together. If you're a current shareholder, you'll be receiving proxy materials with details and instructions and asking for your approval. We ask that you please review those materials carefully. But other than that, there's no action that's required today on your part. We've always prided ourselves at NEOS at being focused on transparency, active engagement with our investors, and that will continue to remain true throughout this entire process and beyond.
Brian, you've been in the ETF business for a long time. Goldman and NEOS joining forces is a big deal. Put it in perspective for us.
I mean, you're right, Tom. I have been around a bit. So have you. I think that's something that we all love about this industry. One thing that we've seen is active ETFs continue to be an area that can provide solutions for investors. Income ETFs continue to be an attractive category for investors. The NEOS capabilities combined with the Goldman Sachs platform is really exciting. We are investing in our direct indexing capabilities, we are investing in our alternatives capabilities, and we are investing in our active ETF capabilities. To bring the NEOS capabilities in with their derivative income solutions, combined with the innovator solutions of defined outcome ETFs, positions us to really serve our clients in a very exciting way. The future is very bright, and we're very excited to take this forward.
Troy, what should investors take away from this announcement?
Listen, Tom, I mean, this is exciting. We're going to be able to take the best of NEOS and offer more to shareholders. To the shareholders that are listening, we're truly grateful for your trust and excited for what we can do next for you. We're excited to keep delivering ETF solutions with even more support behind us with the Goldman team. We'll continue to share updates, as Garrett mentioned, as we move forward, including here on the podcast. And we will continue to be available to have those calls to talk to advisors and continue the communication. But listen, thank you for tuning in. This is a very exciting time.
Well, gentlemen, thank you and congratulations. We're all looking forward to seeing what you and your collective team can continue to build together.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tom.